Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Know Your Foods. Here we'll be talking about eating healthy, eating right. The aim is towards a healthy lifestyle. So let's get started. How to boost your immune system to fight against all the diseases. Feeding your body with certain foods can help to build your immune system strong. If you are looking for ways to prevent colds and flu, there are many such food items which you can consume in your daily diet, and that in turn will boost your immune system. The first one is broccoli. Broccoli is rich in many types of nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. It also contains more protein than most other vegetables. Broccoli comes under the superfood category. Overcooking this veggie may lose its nutritional value, so you can cook it a little or you can eat it raw. The second one is citrus fruits. Citrus fruits is one of the best sources of vitamin C, and vitamin C is the key nutrients for supporting your immune system. Since your body is unable to produce or store vitamin C, it is important to consume many sources of vitamin C daily, especially when you are sick or your concentration may have decreased. Examples of many citrus fruits are oranges, tangerines, lemon, grapefruits, etc. Some other ways to add vitamin C to the diet includes by adding a salad to your diet or simply squeezing a lemon or adding a cup of lime juice to plain water or even tea. All of these are very simple ways to improve your daily intake of vitamin C. The third one is ginger shots. Ginger shots, which are drinks based on concentrated amounts of ginger roots. They are expressed to prevent diseases and strengthen the immune system. Sometimes they are combined with various ingredients like lemon juice and manuka honey. Ancestral extract reduce inflammation in people with conditions such as arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, asthma, and some other cancers. Spinach is added to our list not only because it is rich in vitamin C, it is also full of many antioxidants and beta-carotene, which increases the immune deficiency of our immune system. Like broccoli, spinach is healthiest when cooked as small as possible to preserve its nutrients. However, light cooking enhances vitamin A and allows the release of other nutrients from oxalic acid. Now, the next is turmeric. Turmeric is a natural way to help strengthen the immune system by increasing the body's immunomodulating power. This yellow bitter spice has been used for years as an anti-inflammatory for osteoarthritis, etc. According to a reliable source, high concentration of curcumin, which gives turmeric its unique color, can lead to muscle wasting as a result of exercises. The next up we have is chicken soup. When you are ill, chicken soup is more than a healthy snack that has an inflammatory effect. Helps relieve the symptoms of cold and also getting sick in the first place. Organisms such as chicken and turkey are high in vitamin B6. All 3 ounces of cooked turkey or chicken contain 40 to 50% of recommended daily B6. The next we have is green tea. The secret to empowering green tea is to prevent diseases. Although the body produces its own antioxidant drugs, they themselves do not work well in treating excessive radicals. Radicals are the substances that are damaged by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is linked to a variety of diseases such as cancer, stroke, heart disease, and respiratory diseases. The inability of the body to fight immature cells puts you at a risk of these diseases. For this, you need sources of exogenous antioxidants, which are these green tea. The last one is sweet potatoes. Sweet potato chips contains 120% of daily vitamin intake and 30% of vitamin C daily, only for 100 calories. These vitamins are really important for immune function but also has a great effect on the skin. Sweet potatoes is a low-fat cholesterol diet, so you are getting valuable vitamins and supplements that suppresses the guilt-free cells. Sweet potato also plays a very important role as a strong fiber. Okay guys, so I hope this video really helped you all. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also any other video suggestions or demands, so that we can get that content as soon as possible for you all. Also, eat healthy, stay fit. See you, tada!